Hi everyone, thank you for watching. In today's video we will be unboxing the September Birchbox. This is the box this month. They went back to that drawer style, which is cool. They did that like for 1 or 2 boxes and then stopped for a while. If you guys are unfamiliar with Birchbox, it is a monthly beauty subscription, and my cats are crying in the background if you guys hear that. Archer, come here. Sorry, I got distracted by my cats, but this box for new members is $15 a month, and with Birchbox you get to customize your box. They actually offer a lot of different customization options. So first thing, you can just have it be a total surprise. The second one, you could choose out of a selection of samples that will come in your box, and then third, they have curated boxes every month. They have like a clean box and then like an editor's picks box, and sometimes they have other boxes as well, and those are pretty great, so you get to kind of browse those before you select them. And then you can also choose to swap your box for points to use on their website. They have a lot of great sales on their website, and they have so much on there. I'm gonna obviously link Birchbox down below so you could check it out for yourself if you want to. And then the last thing you could do is swap your box out for a full-size item that is featured for the month. So this month I decided to choose a sample. So I know one thing coming in the box, well, I'll be honest, I forget what I chose, but I chose an item and the rest will be a surprise. It's really all a surprise for me because, yeah, that's how my brain works. So we will see soon. But before we get to the unboxing, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We actually have a giveaway going on that's ending super soon. So it's a big thank you for 10,000 subscribers. If you guys have not yet watched the giveaway video and entered, I will link that at the end of this one so you can check it out next. But let's get Birchbox open. I'm so curious. I love this drawer. So right on top there's like the card, and then the products are underneath. Oh, there's 2 cards. Bingo! Birchbox edition. 10 marked off is bingo. There's a bingo card. That's so fun. And on the back it talks about their 10th annual Customer Appreciation Day. It's a whole month. So it says, to celebrate the best of the Birchbox community, we're challenging you to some 10-year anniversary Birchbox Bingo. We'll be giving 10 of our bingo winners $250 worth of points to spend in the Birchbox shop. Wow, that would be awesome. So they tell you how to play. It looks like you have until September 30th to do so. I think that's fun. I love bingo. And then there's a card with all of the items inside. Whoa, we have a lot. There's 7 items in here. That's exciting. And on the back of the card it talks about Birchbox. It was launched in September 2010. I've been along the ride for Birchbox for most of their subscription life. I think I've had it now for 7 years. It was my first subscription box ever. Started my addiction. So I won't read all of this. I'll read that later, but I love learning more about companies and all of that. So let's start. Oh, I remember what I chose now. So out of the items, I wanted this the most. This is by Nature Lab Tokyo, and it's their Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. So I've been trying so many scalp scrubs lately, and nothing compares to my favorite Christoph Robin one. I feel like I talk about it like weirdly often. But I want to try this one. Maybe this will compare. Like, I think I've tried enough to do a whole video on just scalp scrubs, but I don't think anyone would watch that, but I'll fill you guys in how this one is later. So on here it tells you the full-size price. Obviously this isn't full size. Generally with Birchbox you get all deluxe size samples. I think I see a full size in the box though, so sometimes you get a full size. So clear product buildup, balance your scalp's pH, and add shine with this clarifying scalp scrub. Use weekly in place of shampoo. I will. Ooh, this is exciting. We have a Sunday Riley product, and it's a Sunday Riley product I've never tried. I've tried almost all of their line. So this is their Saturn Sulfur Acne Treatment Mask. I actually use sulfur treatment as a spot treatment on my acne. I have like a bad pimple like right by my mouth. It's so annoying. So I used that last night. So this is made with 10% sulfur, 4% niacinamide, and 1% zinc. Medicated 10% sulfur mask treats multiple forms of acne by drying and clearing up existing blemishes while preventing new breakouts from forming. Awesome. So yeah, this is just a spot treatment. I'm assuming I will use it just like I use my other products. Yeah, you can leave it on overnight. That's what I do, or just leave it on for 20 minutes. And here is what it looks like. I wonder what the full-size price is. Sunday Riley is expensive. So the full size is $20, and I'm excited to try this out. Ooh, I'm excited about this. I hope it's the right shade. This is by Bare Minerals. It's their original foundation. So this is their powder foundation, right? Yeah, and they sent it to me in Fairly Light 03. It looks like they have SPF 15 in here, but like this was like so popular back in the day. I think some people still really love it. I don't know honestly if I've ever tried it. So Fairly Light 03 looks like it might be too dark for me, but I will try it out. Like, I am more than fairly light, I guess. Oh! I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, see. Oh, actually, I don't know. Maybe, can you guys see it on there? I think when you spread it out, it might work. I'll have to try it out. I'm excited. But yeah, I think it might be a little dark. Maybe I should finally go out in the sun and get a tan. But I think that's really cool they included that. So the full size would be $32. And they say this foundation delivers lightweight buildable coverage in a natural luminous finish. Using a brush, swirl the powder, tap away any excess, then buff onto skin in circular motions. Next up we have an itty bitty sample here. This is by Pai, or Pay. It's P-A-I. I've never heard of this brand. This is their Love and Hate Hydrating Moisturizer, all day hydration. I could see that it's cruelty free on the back. This is so teeny. So where is this? I've never heard. Oh, so this is their avocado and jojoba day cream. And they say this is a clean beauty pick. Full size is $55. No wonder it's so teeny. The moisturizer provides long-lasting hydration for dry and dehydrated skin, while nourishing avocado and jojoba extracts soothe and lock in moisture. You can use in the AM or PM. And the next we have something by Melon Goats, their grapefruit face cleanser. Full size would be $36, and it says the amino acid based cleanser is made with naturally antibacterial grapefruit to prevent blemishes, while hydrating glycerin and sodium PCA soften the skin. And then we have some foil packets here. These are by Orbe. Orbe is a really expensive brand, and these are for bright blondes. Oh, it's a bright blonde shampoo and the bright blonde conditioner for beautiful color. And I have powder everywhere still from when I opened that Bare Minerals foundation. So, yeah. The full size is $46 for the shampoo and $48 for the conditioner. So yeah, that's expensive. The secret to achieving blonde or silver strands that are utterly illuminating, this transformative duo that color corrects brassiness and brightens highlights. And then the last item in here, this is what is considered full size. I have a few of these already. I don't know if I have this one specifically, but this is by Arrow. It's a tinted lip balm. Arrow is actually Birchbox's brand, and I love these. I actually used one earlier. So this is in Coral. Let me see what I have. It's just right behind me. Oh, cool. So it is different. The one I have is in Blush, and I believe these are $15. Yeah, $15. This tinted lip balm is lip color made easy. It provides moisture and reacts to the pH level of your skin, creating a unique coral shade that enhances your natural lip color. I'm excited. So this is what it looks like before you swatch it. Where should I? And that is the color on my skin. So super great. I love these. I love tinted lip balms and like lip oils and all of that. So excited to have another one. Just out of curiosity, I want to do my other one next to it, see the difference. Oh yeah, this one has more color than the one I have in Blush already. So yay, that's awesome they included that, and that's how much the box is. So that was everything, you guys, for September. I'm trying to think what I am the most excited about. I am super excited about trying the Saturn product by Sunday Riley because I have some breakouts going on right now, and the scalp scrub for sure. The Bare Minerals powder, I do think it's going to be a little too dark, but I'll try and make it work. At least I could see how the formula works for me, the lip balm, everything. I mean, foil packets don't really get me excited, but I'll save this for whenever the day comes I could travel. That's usually when I bring stuff like this with me. And the other two products, you know, I'll use them. But yeah, so that's it. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you get Birchbox, what did you get in your box? Did you pick a curated box, pick a sample, or what do you normally do? Do you even customize your box at all? I try and put reminders on my community tab when customization is open. Normally one of you reminds me, so thank you, Nanette. You're always very helpful with that. So yeah, that is everything. Normally at this point of the video I would do a review of last month's products, but I was just looking over the little sheet from last month and I haven't tried all of them. I'm sorry, I was really bad at reviewing the past month. So yeah, I don't have much to say about that, so I won't even go into it and tell you that I didn't use a few of the products. Oops. I just had a weird month, so I didn't wear makeup too much and stuff like that, but in the future I promise I will do more reviews. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Thank you so much to our channel members. Your support means so much to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below. One of the perks for tier 2 is that we do bi-weekly live streams. It's super fun. We get to chit chat, and then there's also giveaways in each live stream. So if you want to join and support the channel that way, that would be amazing. I would love that. But if not, that's fine. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate you so much. So yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, you guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.